We just left the camping ground and we are planning where to drive, and we are kind of fed up with this Central Europe thing.
Yeah, I know. There's no nature, like a rough nature where there's nobody, and
Yeah,
we so desperately want again.
go to nature.
Yes. There was nature in Italy, there was nature in Alps, and there was nature in southern part of France and Greece and Balkan and everywhere, but here's no like nature. This is like
Only like parks.
parks
Yeah,
and
okay.
plain fields everywhere here, and I don't know.
And we have seen a lot of medieval villages and churches, and they are really nice and charming, but we are kind of fed up with those. So
Yeah. We are just planning if we go straight to Denmark here. Because if we drive to Denmark from Paris, let's say, it's 10 hours from here to Denmark.
but how the Denmark with the dogs? Do they need, no?
No,
Yeah,
Sweden.
Yes, Denmark has all the diseases. We
Yeah.
don't need any medication for
Yeah.
dogs.
Only the countries that has no echinococ disease,
Yeah.
there we have to go get treatment. Should we go? Somewhere in northern Germany, then pack up the whole van with cheap German food and then head to Sweden.
Yeah.
Or be a couple of, I don't know, Denmark. Denmark, come on! I've been looking for the park for night in Denmark, and there's like 5 or 6 park for night places where people have got 500 Denmark krone fines for wild camping.
Chopping onions, van lifestyle.
And I'm still crying like a...
Mean onions.
Our favorite van food of all time. Pita. We have 2 bags of pita, so.
Yeah.
And we are planning to buy because we are going to Norway, which is one of the most expensive countries
In a world.
in the world. So we're gonna buy 1 big bag full of things.
Camp food.
Camp food, dry food, camp food, everything. Fill our fridge full of food so we don't have to buy anything from there.
Yeah.
Actually, we are now in Belgium.
Belgium. Hello, Belgium. Brainy Belgium.
New country day, second. Yeah.
Surprise country! We just crossed the border of the Netherlands and Belgium.
Yeah, Netherlands now, and I think in less than an hour we are in Germany.
So we have a 3-road situation going on.
Yes.
But now Netherlands. But no windmills.
No windmills anywhere.
No, and no tulips and no. Hopefully we can see them too. But here.
Republic of Deutschland. We are just 500 meters away from the Deutschland.
Surprise country.
Surprise country there.
3 countries in one day. Deja vu.
Yes, actually the
Sign is-
Germany is somewhere here. Yes, we are in Germany.
Can you see the D? The Republic of the Deutschland. this kind of place this night. Kind of dark place.
Yeah. Dark place, let's see tomorrow what kind of place this is.
Yes. So good night.
Good night.
Today is very special day in various aspects. We have a Denmark just around the corner, so we can use the Wi-Fi, which is endless, so it means we can watch
YouTube! We have like 10 channels that we follow, and we couldn't follow when we had like limitation on the data package. And we have so missed watching YouTube.